Our hiking day is coming to an end. We have one last bridge that's really pretty. I tell you, whoever makes these is unbelievable. Wow. Wouldn't this be awesome to swim in? That is awesome. What a beautiful day in Virginia. Anyway, we are almost to the parking lot where our shuttle driver is meeting us. And bringing us to Marion. We don't have a hotel yet, but I don't think it'll be a problem. I bet people fish in this river. It's beautiful. And here comes Delta. He's at the end of the bridge, looking at the trail register. It'll be so nice to have clean clothes. I have to find a hotel that has laundry. That would be the best. And our parking lot is right here. Yay! We're early for our shuttle. And so we're sitting on the side of the road, and I checked and we did over 14 and a half miles today. And it's only 3 o'clock. We were hoofing it. It was a great day. It was hot at times, but there was a breeze often, and the terrain was pretty good. You know, a couple of rocky places, but overall it was great. We had some elevation, but everything worked out really, really well today. So I think maybe I'll ice my knees because they're kind of talking to me. But I'm really looking forward to a Sonic cherry limeade. Adam, what are you looking forward to at Sonic?
I want like 6 corn dogs and a burger. And
what's the drink that you get?
just a limeade, just a limeade slushy with nerds in it.
With nerds. How many calories are the nerds?
Like 600, I think.
Yeah.
600 calories.
Extra 600 calories to add nerds. So I say go for it.
It's only like it's only like 50 cents. It's not expensive.
Yeah, it's not, but you know, and he'll also get like a burger and all kinds of stuff. Oh, onion rings. I don't know. We're excited.
Oh man, food. Oh man, food.
Right. Oh man, laundry.
Boo.
I know. The boy's been wearing those clothes for days without taking them off, so it's time. Okay, so we are in Marion, Virginia, and we are staying at the nicest hotel in Marion. Isn't it lovely, Adam?
It's lovely.
It is. It's awesome. It is mint on the pillow. No kidding. It's right here. The Francis Marion Hotel, and it's a very old hotel. It's absolutely beautiful. We are not like the other people in line to check in and whatnot because we are thru hikers, but the lady there was so nice. She's like, because you're thru hikers, we're giving you a 10% discount. And I was like, thank you. And she gave us a big trash bag because we know that we have trash. She was awesome and so sweet. And I will give you a little bit of a tour of the place when I can. But right now we have Sonic.
I think yours is a bit bigger than mine.
Well, I was thirsty. So we have our Sonic to eat. Our shuttle driver went through the drive-thru for us, and I said, if you go through the drive-thru, I'll buy you a burger. So I bought him a burger for the extra stop, and we're hungry. So, and then we're gonna get cleaned up and do some laundry. So happy to be here. Hello, I am sitting in the laundromat. We took a taxi because it was quite a walk, although you know, it's relative. Because we did almost 15 today, and we figured, you know what, let's treat our feet and our knees and ride. But it took forever for them to come, so our night is going to be filled with just resupply and doing laundry. So I'm in the laundromat right now. I'll show you. There it is. And we're getting our clothes clean. I took a shower. Adam's going to take a shower later. He actually is such a good kid. He went to the grocery store right now. It's about a half a mile down the street to get our resupply for me while I sit here in the laundromat. So that is a good thing. And I will definitely show you our hotel in a little while. It's adorable, absolutely adorable. And we're gonna head out in the morning to get back on the trail. Here we are in our little boutique hotel, and it is so cute. This is just the hallway. We are in room 501, and we have 2 full beds. They're just adorable, old brass beds. It's decorated so nicely. There I am. We went to the laundromat and got our clothes clean, and now it was the Best of Virginia winner. Best Historic Hotel. It is adorable. Adam's finishing some Sonic. He's about to jump in the shower. The bathroom, very cute. It's got old tile floors and a beautiful sink. And there I am again. So I wanted to show you this, but I will also show you the lobby at some point. But I think we're going to have a good night's sleep tonight. And here is the entrance to our beautiful hotel, the Francis Marion. You walk in and you have this adorable little area with some chairs. And this isn't even reception. Reception is like a very old reception. It's adorable. Look at this. And I have to show you the bell. And it works. It's lovely. And I'm going up to my room.